I've got another question. Back to the circular case. What's the area between these two tracks? Do you see there's some area between them? Give me the actual, what is the area? Give it to me. What is the actual number? 3. I will tell you, 42. I will tell you that this length is 1 unit. Okay? If I tell you the distance between the wheels of the bike is 1 unit or whatever, then I want to know what the area between those tracks are.
Does it depend on how fast you're going around the circle?
No.
It's just the distance.
If it's pi.
Is it pi?
Yeah, it's got to have pi in it.
That's in multiple choice questions. Aiming at trigonometry, either guess 0 or pi.
If it's always the same, and we go to the case where it doesn't move in the center, then it is pi.
Is it always the same then?
That I don't know.
Oh.
I assume it's like the question about
Hang the hell on.
take the equator and
Wrap a rope around at 10
Yeah.
feet.
sounds like the same question.
Well, therefore, it must be.
If you assume that it's, hang on, are we assuming that area is always going to be the same no matter what size circle you're making?
He was.
If that's true, then you can take the case where the back wheel's not moving at all, and you can just draw a circle. So
Okay, in which case the answer, if it's the same for all circles, then the answer has to be pi by going to the extreme case.
Oh,
So the
pi-
question is the area guaranteed to be the same between the front wheel track and the back wheel track in any size circle? That seems awfully weird to me because I have a
No.
feeling for bigger circles, things get
well,
squished together more.
I was thinking it was the same no matter what
Yeah.
path you did.
Oh, that's even bolder.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that.
No, the two
But
extremes is
if
pi
if
and
it's a
0.
longer bicycle, it must be bigger. Because it would be a bigger circle.
Depends if you're like doing
Different
Tokyo.
one, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You're not riding your bike like this. You're riding sort of this way, right? So wouldn't that change things?
Show me that again.
Well, I'm just thinking, okay, if you put your back wheel here and then you pivot around it, then you're riding like that. But that's not the way you ride. You ride
Oh, one is like perpendicular
in a direction.
thinking versus tangential direct thinking.
I'm not sure if that's helpful at all, but it seems like it might matter.
Let me ask this question. I mean, can we just be like school book textbooks? If I told you this length is 1, that is the distance between the wheels, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is there enough information in our 9th grade geometry textbook right now to work at that area? Is it pi? I've got to see it because I don't see it.
Oh,
The tenure case is based on this.
yeah, right.
So this is little r, and this is big R.
My notation.
This is perpendicular.
Why is that 90 degrees?
Because it's a tangent.
Okay.
And this difference is times pi. So that's the difference of area.
Oh, pi r squared minus pi r squared.
Yeah.
This is the answer.
Which is what?
Which is the difference of the area between.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
So the answer is pi?
Wait.
Well,
Isn't
because r squared.
r squared
capital
plus
R.
1 is equal to...
R squared is equal to...
Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh,
Well, just factor out pi.
oh if you're going to
and then
use
you've got one.
Pythagoras theorem
Yeah,
on us,
Pythagoras.
man, that's...
Yeah, that's
yeah.
deep.
Yeah, you're not allowed to use Pythagoras theorem.
all right, so, okay, he's done the highfalutin answer, so which is, all right, so sure, call the raised the little circle little r, call the raised the big circle big R. Do you understand when I say R?
Yes.
With my accent? Okay. Because I got in trouble when I first arrived in this country 27 years ago. I was a graduate student here. And, of course, being graduate students in mathematics, we were just playing hangman. And I was trying to say the letter R in my accent. And everyone thought I was just going, ah. I was really trying to say R, and then I had to do my best American accent for R, which was R. And then I answered, but I can't do American accent, I just sound like a sick cow when I do an American accent, but R. So this is the letter R. R, I can't do it. And that's 1. So, it is a classic theorem in geometry that the tangent line is always 90 degrees to a radius. So I'll agree that's 90 degrees. And yes, you can't help but think, oh my goodness, the right triangle, there's only one thing your brain wants to go to with the right triangle is r squared plus 1 squared equals big R squared. Is that right?
Okay.
And you told me the area twixt these two circles. You know what I mean.
Worryingly, it's the sort of thing I'd say.
Yes. So what's the big area? Formula for the big area.
Pi capital.
Pi r squared. I'll take away the little area. I heard someone say factor out of pi. That's a good thing to do. That's what I heard.
Yes.
R squared minus r squared. Do I know what r squared minus r squared is?
1.
Is 1,
Oh, how cool. Now I get it.
which is pi. Do we even care how big these r's were in this calculation?
Oh,
Irrespective of what actual numbers we're dealing with, the area between
Cody,
these
you're a
tracks
professor now.
is pi. Brilliant.